They are extremely expensive without providing you any good quality for the screen protector. Now with this, all they need to do, even with dust from the phone, just put it on top, pull the dust removing tape, swipe and peel. And as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. This is the privacy version. It protects your privacy from both sides 28 degrees. Hydrophobic electroplated oleophobic layer, gives you a silky smooth surface, and it's fingerprint proof. It is scratch resistant. Not only that, it is extremely durable. If you like this product, click on the yellow card below to purchase yours now.